Happy New Year, everyone. Out here getting ready to install some solar. Got one panel that's broken. Well, I just checked it, and she actually still puts out power, so she'll still get some use, and she's still serviceable. So I'm going to put 12 panels on the upper arch of this ridge line. That'll be about 3,700 watts, 3.7 kilowatts, so which will give me good starter power to run all the systems I need to run while I'm doing this finished job, all the internal electronics, lights, outlets, such. Gotta finish cutting this tree down. It's a palm tree, and they're the worst because they destroy your saw blades. And there goes the rest of it. It's gonna be a nice day today. Nice and sunny. My truck is loaded down. Let's go take a look at the water, see how it looks. That's moderate. I'm gonna start cleaning up some more. There's not much in the way of solar down here, or solar access, because of all the tree coverage. So I do want to clear out some to set up an array over here, something small that can give me about 1 kilowatt of power, just to top off the batteries in the boat. Leaving me never to have to worry about if I have enough, Also have to get some water run down here so that I can clean her off. You get quite dirty just sitting there, and as I said, all the trees and their pollen and everything else just kind of piles up on it. So I put in these really heavy posts right here, 2 of them, mainly to allow me to run heavy line if I ever needed to secure the boat, during hurricanes or what have you. Right now, it's anchored, obviously, and underneath this decking, there's very, very huge posts that are drilled almost 6 feet down into the limestone, so they're not really going anywhere. But this would just be extra precaution. You can never be too safe. Always remember, 2 is 1 and 1 is none. So always have a backup. But if I can get rid of at least some kind of a patch, open up an area that'll allow for 4 to 5 hours of sunlight, on those panels, it would be good. You can see you're getting some coverage right now from this from the east, but that sun's going to eventually move, and it's going to run into all of this. Not until about 4 o'clock will it be able to penetrate, and at that time, you know, it's so low in the sky that not going to do much good. So, got to clear something up. Have some kind of a ground mount for 3 panels somewhere in this area, and maybe even set it up in such a way that I can move them, you know, so I can have them turn and follow the sun. That might be the better option. I hear fish jumping. That's a nice peaceful morning though. Anyway guys, update soon. Take care and enjoy the new year.